For over 70 years, Pulpdent Corporation, a family-owned dental research and manufacturing company located in the Boston area, has been helping people live healthier lives. Since first introducing its game-changing ACTIVA bioactive products in 2013, Pulpdent has continued to develop materials that mimic nature. ACTIVA Presto, a tooth-colored dental filling material that is a universal stackable composite, is the latest advancement in this product family. Why are dentists so excited about ACTIVA Presto? Because it's the first light-cure composite designed to mimic the properties of natural teeth. ACTIVA Presto supports biomineralization, a natural process that helps regulate the chemistry of teeth and promotes oral health. Since biomineralization restores the minerals that were lost in the decay process, with ACTIVA Presto, you are truly restoring the tooth. As Pulpdent says, ACTIVA Presto is like nature's magic in a dental composite. To make this magic happen, the composite contains two unique resins that work together to mimic natural dentition. The first is a mineral-enriched, moisture-friendly ionic resin that, just like a tooth, facilitates the diffusion of bioavailable calcium, phosphate, and fluoride ions. It's because of this resin that the restoration will give off and take back ions. The other unique property in ACTIVA Presto is a patented rubberized resin that absorbs stress and resists wear, fracture, and chipping even in thin areas on bevel margins. The resins work together to penetrate and integrate with tooth structure for margin-free adaptation. ACTIVA Presto is both a dentin and enamel replacement material. It is a versatile and aesthetic, universal stackable composite indicated for all classes of cavities and all restorative applications, including load-bearing applications. It's even ideal for difficult cases involving high caries and acidic conditions. You can use ACTIVA Presto with everyone, from pediatric patients to geriatric patients. In addition to the standard composite shades, Pulpdent has included cervical shades A4 and A6, which are ideal for older patients. Regardless of which shade is best for a given case, you can count on the material to blend in with the shades and hues of the surrounding tooth structure. For example, here a cervical repair was made with ACTIVA Presto A6 shade. Presto blends so well that it is difficult to detect the restoration. Can you find it? How about here? Can you see the restoration in this case, where a fractured Class II restoration was replaced with ACTIVA Presto A3 shade? Look at how beautiful and natural looking the end result is. ACTIVA Presto is also highly radiopaque, 250%, and contains no bis-GMA, no bisphenol A, and no BPA derivatives. In creating ACTIVA Presto, Pulpdent always considered the tooth, not other composite materials, as the standard. Pulpdent was not content to simply create a passive filling material that is aesthetic and strong. Instead, they developed a filling material that is aesthetic, tough, wear and fracture resistant with a patented rubberized resin. ACTIVA Presto is also moisture-friendly, shock-absorbent, and releases calcium, phosphate, and fluoride, just like natural teeth. To make it as easy as possible for you to use ACTIVA Presto to create beautiful restorations, the composite is injectable, stackable, and sculptable. ACTIVA Presto holds its shape and will not slump. Yet, it adapts intimately to tooth structure. Even when you're working in upper dentition, ACTIVA Presto stays right where you place it. It's not sticky. It doesn't pull back. It can be spread and sculpted with an instrument. In short, It has the ideal consistency you want for fast, precise placement. ACTIVA Presto is applied using the standard clinical procedure, so there's no learning curve to overcome. It comes in a single syringe with basic squirt and shoot technology. To use ACTIVA Presto, start by preparing the cavity and beveling the enamel margins. Decide if you want to use total or selective etch bonding techniques. Apply the bonding agent, place ACTIVA Presto in 2 mm increments, light curing after each layer, and then simply finish and polish. Presto! That's it! In summary, ACTIVA Presto is a universal, stackable, light cure composite that mimics natural tooth by absorbing occlusal stresses and releasing and recharging calcium, phosphate, and fluoride. It's aesthetic, easy to use, strong, wear and fracture resistant, and indicated for all classes of cavities. Try it yourself and experience the difference.